Pakistan, a home of 165 million people, and the land of beautiful valleys and mountain ranges, was hit by a strong earthquake on Wednesday, October 29, 2008. Epicenter was located in Ziarat. Ziarat was the final resting place of the founder of Pakistan, located on the altitude of 8,850 feet. Ziarat is famous for its juniper forests, its apple orchards, and its cherries. It was first struck by an earthquake of 6.2 magnitude, which lasted a couple of seconds. The next followed at a magnitude of 6.4, lasting almost 30 seconds and destroying many mud houses and leveling several government buildings as well. Neighboring villages were also badly affected by the earthquake. Over 50,000 people have been made homeless. 300 are feared dead. Landslides have cut off many roads and accessibility to the area has been made more difficult. Military helicopters are being used to reach mountains and remote locations. Scale of the disaster is overwhelming. Quake survivors now battling biting cold and hunger. Over 7,000 homeless families waiting for support. Urgent medical and food supplies is needed for the affected area. Local Michigan organization Madani Memorial of Ann Arbor is working to deliver the much-needed supplies to the affected areas. Please come forward and help by donating as much as possible.